In a shocking moment on the ice, Tom Wilson delivered a massive open ice hit on Dylan Larkin during a heated NHL game. The hit happened in the middle of the rink when Larkin was skating forward with the puck. Suddenly, Wilson stepped in and made strong body contact. Larkin fell hard to the ice, and the arena crowd reacted immediately. Some fans cheered while others were worried about Larkin's condition. The referees quickly stopped the play to check on him. Tom Wilson is known for his physical and aggressive style of play. He often plays on the edge and hits like hit. This always create debate among fans and analytics. Some people say it was a clean hard hockey hit. Others believe it was too dangerous. Dalen Larkin slowly got up with help and left the ice. Coaches and teammates were clearly concerned. Moments like this show how intense and physical